gonna go trailing with our son.
How are you recording?
He's driving.
Because we wanted to.
You're in two-wheel drive.
Why are we doing this? Dealing and everything. That's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much dead.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. Boom! He just sees the broom. Okay, we're going four-wheeling with our son. He's got the AC on and the window's open.
Yep.
And he's going to take us.
Here in Florida.
He's going to take us up some hills.
I don't like this.
Bella is not having a good time with the Jeep.
She doesn't like it. Not used to car rides anymore.
Wait till we get to the trails.
Yeah, we're almost there. It's right there. Right up there.
Here we go.
People think we live in the city, but this is where we live. This is right down the road. And we're in two-wheel drive.
No, four-wheel.
We're in four-wheel drive?
Yes, I don't spin my tires.
And that fan that we put on is keeping it really cool.
Where the water is.
This is where I like freaked out.
Wow, this is steep.
Yeah, and that's where I said around.
Wow.
What are you doing? Yeah, and then he did all of this.
You're in two-wheel drive.
No, it's because it doesn't lock my front dips. I need to put it more low.
There we go.
No, I kept it for low.
It's in for low?
It's just in regular four-wheel drive. I don't need it, but oh, she did that last time I took her.
She's whiny. She thinks
Hey,
this
there's
is
a
where
four-wheeler out
Aunt Jen
here.
lives in Texas.
There's either a four-wheeler or side-by-side out here recently. Should be still out here.
This is how you get all the stuff.
Turn on your fog lights. We'll have to fix the other lights because they broke in the accident.
We're not in Aunt Jen.
And the hog came out of the bushes and we're right next to it.
There's a hog over here?
Well, like 3 years ago, 2 years ago. And then family came up and they're like, yeah, I saw that hog chasing after you. I had a gun with me.
See them up in them hills, puffing big cigars, using y'all as puppets. Oh, they should be behind bars. So pop that blue collar.
Oh, that's a hill.
I know. Oh my God, no.
But it'll come back around. If you follow the money, find the treasure.
Look at all that. Look at all that.
That's nothing.
That's nothing?
That is. You got stuff.
No, they're just roasting the tires.
Got stuff. Don't go in there. That's stuff. That's stuff.
No, I'm not.
Oh my gosh. Why are we doing this?
Hey, do you want me to turn around, Mom?
What?
No.
Turn around.
Here, I'll turn around.
What is this? This is.
Wow.
You can't go in that. We're
Yeah, I
gonna
can.
be stuck. I'm not getting out of this.
Well, I'm not
getting
gonna go
bit by a
through.
damn snake. I'm not doing it. I didn't say I wanted to go on a snake hunt.
No, I'm not.
That's all muddy.
I'm not going
Look
through
at
it.
the rain in it. Look at the mud. Yeah, we're not doing it.
That's because I'm pulling this dude down here. go back up the hill.
That's your tires are really replaced. I'm not doing that.
Yeah. Well, when the tires were brand new, we took it to that pond that you just saw. Me and Tyler with our Jeeps.
Yeah, we're not doing that either.
And I'll put it in for low so I can go.
Why are we going up this? There's one over there.
Oh no, that one's not fun.
And this one's steep, Mom. This one's steep. This one's like.
But it has a big. Look at
Look at
your wheel was gonna go in that.
Oh, look at that! Oh! Look at the tires.
It's not gonna make it look high on camera.
No, it won't.
Is this the reason why all your cars like this?
Yeah.
None of their cars do this, does it?
Yeah, because somebody was following me and they tried taking their truck up that hill and they ripped off their.
truck up that.
No, they ripped off their front bumper.
Uh-huh.
I'm like, I told you not to go up there.
Daddy's truck, gone.
Yeah.
This was like
We'll
a.
be stuck.
We have 35s on our truck, babe.
Well, this was like
It's
a
a truck.
25,
Yeah, it's a truck.
2017 Ram.
It's really short.
Well, stock height.
What are we doing?
My sandwich.
We're going up these. Wow.
Oh my god.
He takes our truck out here, babe.
I don't take the truck to this.
If you did this,
No, I don't want to
Kick
take the
your
truck to
ass.
this.
it is really hot under here.
Yeah, it's the transmission heat.
Oh.
What was that?
That's the rock.
You hit the rock on the Jeep.
Yeah. Alright, I can't get up to this because it's all like mud.
Then why don't we go down here?
Because
This is where Tyler got stuck.
right over there. But it's all buried in.
We're not going down there.
We're not going down here.
This is where Brandon got his truck stuck.
Yeah, Brandon destroyed his truck.
I know.
Not our brand.
No, not our Brandon,
But let
but
me turn around. Yeah, that's
No,
it.
we're not
going through that.
risking this.
We're not gone through, don't worry.
My foot is hot because it's hot. Do you not know how hot this is back
I know, that's why I need to get that rubber
What do you need to do to this?
It's
rubber floor.
Rubber floor mats.
It is so much heat. No, feel it, babe. I have my heater on it, and
Yeah.
it's burning.
That's why the amp is going into.
I told you
projector
just
mode.
put them on this thing back here. Everybody. Hold on.
It's good. The exhaust runs into there. There's the moon.
There's that rock that we hit.
Where's the rock?
Yeah, it's just a little rock.
Little rock.
Oh, you found the only rock?
Yeah, that's the only rock in Florida. Oh,
Oh my god.
Oh, this is easy.
This is why we're always fixing this tank.
This is easy.
Oh my goodness. I know now. You do this a lot with your friends.
this is
It's like
easy.
the first time that we've actually gone out there
Yes.
and deered this.
Wow, we're leaning hard. Yeah, if you.
Well, you better get used to leaning, babe, because it's going to be on the road.
Alright, that's all the
Just got back from the trails. So, it is dark.
Stop.
Go see mom get out. You see mom get out of the Jeep.
Why are you...
Dad, you gotta help Mom.
I gotta help mom. Let me get the dog. The dog has a handle.
The bottom of... Oh, that's hot. Yeah, they need to put something down on that. And that's just too hot down there. My feet are burning.
So I need to get those rubber mats.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. That one might see a lot better.
I think that would be a... Yeah.
That was our adventures on the trail. You already got my cup?
Yeah. I think